Good morning, kids. This is your English grammar book, lesson 8, and the name of the lesson is Describing Words. The name of the lesson is Describing Words. Now, what are describing words? Describing words are words which describe persons, animals, birds, places, or things, or it can be colors also. Okay, once again I'll speak what are describing words. Describing words are words which describes persons, animals, birds, places, or things, or it can be colors also. Now bache, look at these sentences. Okay, now first sentence is, this is a small house. Okay, this is a picture of house. This is a small house. So the word small over here is describing word. What they are describing, the size of the house, and the size of the house is small. Okay, so small is a describing word over here. Next is, the white birds are on the tree. The white birds are on the tree. They are describing the describing word is over here birds. White. The describing word over here is white. So this says the color of the birds is white. So white is a describing word. Next is, this is a fat hen. Okay, fat over here is a describing word. They're saying the size of the hen is fat. She's fat. So this says it's a describing word. What is the describing word over here? Fat. Next is, that is an empty basket. This basket is empty. Okay, so empty is over here describing word. Okay, describing about the basket. The basket is empty, so empty is over here describing word. Next is, the mangoes are sweet. The mangoes are sweet. So sweet is a describing word over here. They are talking about mangoes. So how are mangoes? Mangoes are sweet. So now the words small, white, fat, hen, this word small, white, fat, empty, and sweet are describing words. The word small describes house. The word white describes birds. The word fat describes hen. The word empty describes basket. And the word sweet describes the mangoes. Okay, now next bache, the definition is written over here, and the next page the describing words. What are describing words? The words which describe persons, animals, birds, places, or things, or colors. Okay, now look at the first example. Circle the describing words. Now we are going to circle the describing words. Reena has new shoes. Okay, they're talking about Reena, and the color of that Reena has new shoes. So we are going to circle on the word new over here. Next is, Mary is a sweet girl. They are talking about Mary's nature. Okay, how's Mary? Mary is a sweet girl. Next is, David is a good actor. How's David? David is a good. So good is over here describing word. A feather is light. Okay, feather is light. They are talking about feather. How's feather? Feather's weight is light. Now, my grandmother is kind. They are talking about the grandmother's nature. How is she? She is kind. So kind is over here describing word. John is a tall boy. How's John? John's height is tall. So tall is over here describing word. Now next bache, do it by yourself. Okay.